Our 15 liters hot water boiler and dispenser. First off, the overall dimensions. For the height, we have at least 18.5 inches. Length, we have at least 13.75 inches. Got the temperature controller and a water level indicator. Dispenser underneath. Onto your right, we have our on-off switch with the heat and warming light indicators. The twist of the lid. Underneath, the dimensions for the urn. We have 13.5 inches in height with around 10.5 inches in radius. Located is your ETL certification and your 110/120 voltage connection plug. For more information on this product, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. Thank you.